All right, I got a 350. A friend of mine bought it from a guy that bought it or had it rebuilt fresh for round racing. He went 10 laps out on the track, brought it back in, and it was knocking as he thought. But if you see this, it's cracked here. Come over here, it's cracked here, all the way to here, and then back to here, and comes all the way, and then cuts through here. I'm gonna zoom in where you can see it, but this crack going through here, over to this one here, and then from this one here out to here. I'm gonna zoom back out from this hole to this hole right here. This is the this whole section from here over is the only thing that was good, and that's one, basically this one bolt was the only thing holding it, and it was knocking. So the moral to this is, if you think you got a rod knocking, check your flex plate first, because it could be a busted flex plate. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. It could save you a whole bunch of money. Thank you a lot. Have a good day. God bless.